One of the most popularly sold tech product today is the cell phone. Everyone has one, from grandma and grandpa to your 6-year-old son or daughter. And if you're using your cell phone to watch this video, please do remember to click that red subscribe button and subscribe to Elite Jamaica, as that really helps the channel. The invention of radio waves, which make all wireless communication possible, should be regarded as one of mankind's most accomplished achievements because it affects and connects us in almost every way possible. Our cell phones have become closer to us than even our immediate family members, and in most cases, our spouse. It's easy to compare our cell phone to our clothing because it's almost always on our person. The first cell phone was not the usually popular smartphone we see everyone with today. They were larger, heavier, and not so eye-catching, which reminds me of a story I heard about the progress of man. That large, hairy, and attractive person coming out of the cave, and look how well-groomed we appear today.
Rocky, I've just discovered the best thing ever.
Better than this?
Way better than that. This actually does something. Trust me, Rocky, you have never experienced anything like this in your whole life.
Anyway, that's just a story. Thanks to Lime Jamaica, we have had access to cell phones from as early as 1991. It was during this time that the company, formerly known as Telecommunications of Jamaica Limited, TOJ, started digitalizing its network. TOJ then went on to become Cable and Wireless Jamaica in 1998. 10 years later, in 2008, they changed their name again to Lime Caribbean. Then from Lime Caribbean, the name was changed once again to Flow. And then I'm expecting another name change sometime in the future anyway. Do you remember Centennial Digital Jamaica? They won the first bid for a cellular license to enter a market back in December of 1999, and in the whirlwind that pursued, they then sold out to Oceanic Digital Communications Inc. in 2002. Oceanic Digital sold out to America Mobile, which was initially branded as My Phone, then changed their name to Claro. Digicel subsequently acquired Claro in an asset swap deal with America Mobile. Digicel came along in 2001 and, well, simply dominated, and is still the market leader today.
Copy that.
So, enough of the history lesson. Let's get back to cell phones. Network providers came and went, and so did cell phones. Some not so popular. Still, we can't help but reflect on the ones that stood out, and though they were not so smart, they were loved by all. Now guys, let's take a look at the cell phones from 1983 up until the first smartphone. Now the first is Motorola Dynatac 8000X, and that was in 1983. The second phone is Motorola Microtac 9800X, and that was in 1989. And number 3, Nokia 1011 in 1994, and this was the first mass-produced GSM cell phone. Next is Nokia 5110 in 1998, and this was one of the first cell phones to be adopted by the masses. People did love the phone, peeps. Next on the list is the Nokia 8210 in 1999. Then we have the Nokia 3210 in 1999, also another popular hit. Now we've got the 3310 in 2000, and we really have to crown the Nokia 3310 the king of them all, and I'm sure you all agree. It was very popular and quite stylish, if I might add that. And if you can remember the Snake and a lot of games and all of that, first to come with polyphonic ringtones and all of that. Also, we have the Nokia 8310 in 2002. We have the Siemens S45 in 2002 also. Also in 2002, we have the 3510i. This was the first Nokia cell phone to offer GPRS internet service to the market. Next, we have the Sony Ericsson P800 in 2002 also. And this was one of the first smartphones to make an impression on the market. This was one of the first smartphones. Alright guys. Also, we've got the Sony Ericsson T100 in 2002. In 2003, we have the Nokia 1100, and I know a lot of persons remember that one. Now, after that, we've got the BlackBerry Quark 6210 in 2003, and this was the first Research in Motion integrated phone and PDA in one, so it was like a notepad and a phone in one. Then we've got the BlackBerry 7210 in 2003, and this was BlackBerry's first color screen phone. After that, we've got the Siemens 852, the Siemens A52 in 2003. Also in 2003, we had the Motorola V220. In 2004, we had the Razor V3, and we can't help but remember how popular this Motorola Razor V3 was in 2004. Everybody did have a Razor. Thank you again for joining me, guys. Really appreciate you all watching the video, and I'm happy you all made it this far in the video. If you really make it this far in the video, type the word cell phone in the comment section below. And once again, remember, if it's the first time you can always subscribe to the channel, as that really do every channel. You all have a wonderful day. Bless. School.